Hi, all the participants. My name is Ashok Sajjan. I'm working as a project coordinator for FPOs in Karnataka. See, there are two implementing agents which are connected to IIMR. One is SFSC, that is in Delhi. Another is Watershed Development Department, Bangalore. It is in Karnataka. So mainly, I am looking after 9 FPOs which are comes under Watershed Development Department, that is Bangalore. But here I will be mainly focusing on FPOs and how we are doing millet promotion through FPOs as well as how we are strengthening through FPOs. So let us start. Hope as you all know about the millets, I just brief on millets. There are 9 types of millets. Uh, in that major millets are 3 millets and minor millets are 5. Sorghum, finger millet, and pearl millet. These are called major millets. Why these are called major millets? They don't have any husk. But if you take minor millets, there are 5 millets or 6 millets. Uh, on these millets, there are 7 layers of husk, which is very difficult to remove. So that we are working on processing it also. This is just a brief. Now I am coming to the FUs. How we are doing millet promotion through FUs. See, in Karnataka, out of 21 FPOs, we have more than 14 FPOs which are millet FPOs. One is at Bidar district in Karnataka, which is Hulsur. It is an women-based FPO. Next is Allan, which is in Kalburgi district. Uh, Madam, can I know from which background all these participants have joined here? I mean, they are from any universities or FPOs or
Sir, participants are belong to all backgrounds, sir. Farmers,
okay,
students, professors, and all over
okay,
India, sir.
okay, fine, fine, fine. So, from Adgir district, we have Shirapur Talka Millet Fertilizer Company. From Vijaypur, we have two FPOs, that is one is at Indian, another is Nedugundi. From Bagalkot, we have another two, that is Mudod and Jamkandi. From Raichur, we have uh, Betta the Bashiveshwara. So that is located at Sirwar. And from Koppala, we have four FPOs, which are mainly on millets, and one is at Dharwad, which is comes under Anigiri block, that is Anigiri Taluka FECL. So how we have started in the beginning of 2021, we have got this project uh, in IMR to promote millets through FUs. So starting, we have taken millets from IMR and we have given it to the FUs. From FUs, we have started promoting like from organizing millet promotion activities in Raita Samparka Kendra, which are located at the block level. And also we have made a vehicle from the FU and we have gone to the village level, village to village, and we have given more information about millets, like what are the millets, how we have to grow that, what are the advantages or disadvantages. Like that, we have visited all the villages which are comes under the cluster of that particular FU. As you can see here, the pictures, the farmers are very interested because earlier our ancestor used to grow these millets, but now what happened due to the lack of machines or you can say awareness, we have the millets are vanished. So to reintroduce those millets in these districts, so we are working like this, as you can see here. So we have given some awareness program to women members also through organizing some SSG meetings, as you can see here in the pictures. And once we have done this, like promotion and all, we have printed some pamphlets, and like I can see here in the picture, like going to the all village members, obviously farmers, visiting them and giving information about that. Once they have received these information and millet seeds, they have grown. One of the farmer from Hulsur FPO, he has grown millets at his field. That is foxtail millet. You can see here in the picture. See, as I told you, there is a lack of processing unit or you can say machines to remove the husk. What we have done, we have established one processing unit at KVK Bidar. It is in Karnataka. After that, extending to the FEOs, another processing unit we have established at Hulsur. You can see here. So this is a Hulsur FPO, where we have established processing units. In processing unit, one is grader, aspirator, and destoner, then dehuller. So what exactly aspirator and grader do? It will grade the raw material from the farmer. Once it grades, then we take it to the destoner, where stones are removed. Then we take it to the huller. Huller, what does it do? It removes husk. As I told you, there are 7 layers which is difficult to remove. So that husk will be removed by dehuller. So like this, we have established a process unit, and where we do the process raw millet. We process it and we pack it and we sell it. And I will show you some products which we have come up from this FPO. See here, in the beginning, we have packed like this, and we also bought one vacuum packing machine. So what does it make? It airtight packaging, and also it removes all the air and it increases its shelf life. And these products we have onboarded on GM. GM means Government E-Marketplace. I will show you. These are the products, and we have SFAC, which is the implementing agency for IMR to promote these FEOs. So SFAC itself has promoted our FEOs through social media. See, this is a Government E-Marketplace. What does it do? It connects between the government buyers and sellers. Seller here, FEO, and government buyers are all other departments like ICAR departments, you can say ministry departments. So we are connecting these products to GEM. And we have also got some orders from GEM, and we have made a good business. I will show you one example. See, we have got a order from one of the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, where they have brought our ragi and they have made a uh, ragi idlis and they have distributed to the students. So you can see here, even SFC has also posted this post on pictures on the social media. Next, the next channel is ONDC, that is called Open Network Digital Commerce, where we can onboard our FEOs, where you can upload our products like Amazon or Flipkart. You can say, see, in ONDC there are so many e-commerce platforms are connected, but one of the e-commerce so they take 6% for every transactions. Like every month for 100 rupees, they will take 6 rupees as a commission, and they will guide us. Everything is free. Only they take commission for each product or each product. See, here we have from Hulsur this Millet FPO. We have uploaded all the uh, uh, process millets, and we have got huge order from ONDC also. And if I take all over for all these FPOs, till now from IMR, from Millet Promotion, we have distributed more than 9,377 kgs to all other FPOs. I have just taken an example of Hulsur FPO. There are few more FPOs which are mainly focusing on millets. Even today also, right now, I'm in a millet FPO doing some inspection or guiding some millet FPOs also. And if you take state wise also, as you can see here from Karnataka, I mean to Karnataka, we have given till now 3,962 different kinds of seeds to millet seeds to the farmers through FPOs. And there is another FPO called Aland Bhutai, which is located in Gulbarga district. It is called as a Kalburgi district also, where through that FPO, we have an MOU with the Raichur University. From there, they will get the biscuits, value-added product biscuits, and they will sell it through the government e-marketplace platform or ONDC platform. As you can see here, the pictures. And even our products are marketing through GEM and some social media platform also, like big Ajay Chopra, which is he is a chef, a great chef. Even he has also promoted our products through social media. You can see the products on ONDC, and two of our FPOs, one is Bidar Hulsur and another is Alan. These two FPOs activities mentioned by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in his 97th Man Ki Baat. As a part of Manage, international ITC participant from 27 countries, they have visited our FEOs. They have seen what are the activities being done at the FPO level, what are the challenges faced with the farmers they have studied. As a part of their exposure visit, they have visited our FPOs also. You can see the pictures. And we have participated in a national conference, I mean the FPO, where we have shown our products to the Ministry of Agriculture officers, as you can see here in the picture. And also these FPOs are supported or financed by SFAC. And in here in below picture, you can see the director of the SFAC, they are handovering the 16 lakh rupees equity grant to the FPOs. Women member have visited to the SFAC office and they have collected the 60 lakh equity grant certificate from there. And we also organize trainings for FPOs on cooking with millets program, value-added products, labeling, packaging. As you can see here, I will show one video here. See, here we are giving training to the women farmers from the SSG. The motto of giving this training is to build entrepreneurship skills in SSG groups. And in another video where I am giving a lecture on millets to the women members on Mahila Kisan Divas last year. And also we have established one more processing unit at Shorapur Millet FPO, which comes in Adgir district, where we have given training to the women members on processing, value addition, and labeling. And there was an opportunity to interact with Air Force Station women members. I mean, it is called AFWA. So where we have got an opportunity to promote our millets through FPOs. As you can see here, one of the women member from Hulsur, she's giving demonstration on how to make laddus from ragi flour. And we also participate in many conferences, exhibitions, and conclaves where we are mainly focusing on millet promotion through FPOs. As you can see in the stalls, we have all the products from the FPOs and where we are showcasing. Even we have participated in Aero India 2023 organized by Defense Exhibition Organizations Government of India. In some district level fruit and flower mela organized by district administration. Some millet conclave at the state level. And in Raichur University Krishi Mela 2023 and G20 Technical Instruction at IIMR Hyderabad. And it is a great opportunity, or you can say the news that last year, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, they have inaugurated an address Global Millets Day conference at New Delhi, where they have announced Center of Excellence for Global Millets for IMR, and where we have showcased our products also. So, as I told you, in Global Millet Conference from our FPOs, we have showcased some products to all other APEDA, or you can say some uh, high-level officers at the central level to promote our FPO products. This is from another FPO called Nidgundi Sri Hadi Basvanna Oilseed and Millets. This FPO has participated in World Food India Expo that is happened at New Delhi, where we have showcased their products like millet validated products like chakli, or you can say vermicelli, all other like millet validated products. And also we do participate in Krashi Mela organized by district level, state level, where we promote our millet products from the FPOs. And this is one of the FPO that is called Jawargi Taluka Millets FECL. This FPO showcased their products as Asia India Millet Festival at Kenya. And apart from millet promotion, we are also strengthening FPOs through regional crops, like you can say tur dal or maize. Right now, I'm in an FPO called Kuknur Dharani Raita Shakti Millet Farmer Production, where we are doing millet promotion also, as well as we are doing other regional crops, where like maize, you can say maize, sugarcane, bajra. Even also we are doing some MOA with IFCO Kisan. So IFCO Kisan will give bajra biofertilizer iron content millet seeds to the farmers. Farmers should grow that and should give to the FPO from FPO, and IFCO Kisan will buy it. So as I told you, SFC and WD, these are the implementing agencies which are helping us for promoting these FPOs. For strengthening FPOs, like doing input business, doing for output business, we have uh, we have issued till now 1 crore 20 lakh rupees as a share capital equity amount to the FPOs. Like if you take Andigari FPO, which is located in Dharwad district, it has a more than 900 share members. See what happens here. Farmers will collect 2000 from each farmer. Then it comes to around, for 750, it comes to around 50 lakhs. So they will apply for the equity to the SFSA. SFSA will grant again 15 lakh rupees. And so it will become totally 30 lakh rupees. With this 30 lakh rupees, we do input business, output business, and also millet promotions, uh, and other like getting MSP centers and doing business. If you take this Andigiri at Dharwad district, it has done more than 1 crore 80 lakh rupees turnover through MSP centers from Green Gram and Bengal Gram. And if you take Nawalgund also, it also comes in Dharwad district. It has done more than 50 lakh turnover. It has this FPO also issued 50 lakh rupees as the equity amount. So all other FPOs, if you see here, these are the FPOs which have got completely 15 lakh rupees grant from the government. And there are another few FPOs which are under process to receive these equity amount to do business, and as well as we are strengthening these FPOs under NAB Kisan. NAB Kisan has a one scheme that is called CGF, Credit Guarantee Scheme, which gives 2 crore rupees loan without any collateral. So we are also intervening these schemes to the FPOs so they can get the working capital and they can do the business. Because if FPO doesn't have any capital amount to do the business, they cannot do any business.